what's going on, fam? Mark here, and today we got another review for you, and this is the easyacc Mega Charge D20. This is off of Amazon for $43.99. Real basic and simple. All it is a battery power pack. We got this one here to hopefully plug into the Tesla USB port to have it charge, and then from there charge up our wireless mat, because the firmware in the cars right now are having some issue with external charging. So we're going to try and do that. We're going to open this up, see what's in here. This is a 20,000 milliamp power pack. So let's get into it. So we got this one here, like I said, on Amazon. It comes in two different colors. It comes in I think a gray and a orange, which this is the orange. It was the cheaper of the two. And we're going to open up. Yep, there's the orange you can see on the outside like that. When you open it up and get into it, you're going to see that it's just a standard battery pack. The ones that I had before were a bit larger. I'll show you that one in comparison here in just a second if I can find it. However, looks like it's going to be coming with two cords. And the reason why this comes with two cords is it doubles the charging input. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, here it is right here. So if you look on the side right here, it is double in, I think what they say it is. And you have the micro USB and then also USB-C. Now on the output side, you have a Type-C charger, a smart charger, and then a green one here. From what I was reading in the description, this is like a higher amperage. Now there's no instructions with it, or maybe there is. Let me see. Yeah, there is some instructions with it. We'll see how that goes. Just open it up real quick so you guys can see it. Just a folded pamphlet right there. Tells you about the batteries. About full is 100%, 50s 2. Pretty common sense since it's based off of 4 dots. And then the other thing is, like I said, the charging, the dual charging. So you can charge it with two cords and get it charged up faster. So with that 20,000 milliamp input there, you're going to be able to charge that up there. 72.6 watt hours is what it indicates on here. Type-C input and also micro input there. It's pretty awesome. On the outputs, however, it shows a Type-C output is a 3 amp max on the US Type-C, on the 5 volt 3 amp max on the other ones. The output, the green one, is a 5 to 6 volt 3 amp. So you're going to get a little bit more juice out of that one right there. And it looks like there's a flashlight on it. Let me see if I can get the flashlight. Oh, that just turns that. See if I can get the flashlight on. That's in Spanish. Oh, there we go. So it's got a little LED kind of lens here that has a small LED in the back and pretty bright. That right there, if I show it down like this, you guys can see. Let me turn off some lights so you can see exactly how bright it is. So we're going to go lights off here, and then you light it up. It's got kind of a blue tint to it. Not a straight white light right there, but all in all, not too bad. I don't know that I'd be using it. If I have this charging something, I would be able to then charge my phone and use my phone light, which is fine like that. So there it is right there. So it's very similar to like your iPhones here. If you had like a case on it with the OtterBox case, it's about that same thickness there. So what we're going to do is I'm going to see. It's the weight, I think by the time you add a case, probably is close. Let's see what it weighs, and we'll put that on here on the scale here and actually see. So this unit right here is going to come in. We'll do it in ounces and all of them so you can see. It comes in at 13.70 ounces, and we'll do it on a couple different things. OZT is 12.48, DWT 249.7, and grams it's 388.3 grams. We're back to the 13.7 ounces. So let's put the phone on there and see what that is. I think these are like 8, 7. So it's about double the weight of your phone. Imagine that if you could. And it fits very similar like that. Like I can lay this on here, combined with phone, and charge you at 20.27 grams right there, or ounces rather. So that's the weight for it. If you guys know anything about that. The other one that I had, again, I don't have it on me, but it's a Solove charger. The Solove charger is about half the thickness of this, or exactly the thickness of your phone, maybe a little bit thicker than that. But the Solove charger is literally from here out to here. So it goes right about there like that. So it doesn't fit well in your pocket. However, this unit right here will fit perfectly in your pocket. We're going to test it in the car and see how it works there with the auto detect. Supposedly when you plug in a phone or any of those things like that, it does give an auto detect and lets you charge right away. So we will plug this broken phone in and see exactly how it charges up. So this one's already fully charged, but I'm going to see if auto detect works. I don't think anything's on. We're going to plug it right in, and here we go. There we go. All right, this one auto detected there. It's 99% charge and charging up, which tells me that auto detect does work. But if it doesn't, I notice on the other side over here, where did I see it at? This right here, where the button is, also has, let me see if you can turn it off. Press and hold it. Yep, you can turn it off if you have something plugged in you don't want it charging, or press and hold to turn it on. Yeah, one push turns it on. So that's how you get that guy charged up or started charging, and this is great. So the price on this one, as I was mentioning, is $43.99, and it comes with free one-day shipping, at least in my region it does right there. And it's sold by Affion US, fulfilled by Amazon right there. So a couple of things right there. It goes 18-watt quick charge, 15-watt standard charge right there. Double, it says double in, 5-amp input. And then you also have one-way charge, no more reverse current. I'm not sure what that is, but it must be something on their previous versions. And that's it. You can plug in all of those different devices right there. Looks like they're charging a Galaxy S8, iPod Mini 4, iPhone X, iPhone 7. So they all charge, and then it has the 2 inputs in there, so that that way you can run this thing and also charge it. But with a USB-C or Type-C output, it looks like you can charge some notebooks up as well. I think that's what they're indicating there. Feels pretty secure and simple. These things are pretty basic. You just got to have a nice outer shell. This is all plastic. The Solev was aluminum, which lets some heat dissipation here. I haven't used this fully yet, so I imagine with the amperage out, we'll see if it gets any temperature, and I'll report back in the comments. So hope you guys appreciate this review. Thanks for looking at it there. Thanks for liking, subscribing, hitting that bell button. We're going to put this one in the Tesla and see how it charges on the wireless pad, and we'll go from there. So thank you again for watching. I will see you guys again soon.
And I start to clap.